Welcome back to another tutorial. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to back up your website. Now you're probably wondering, why do you even need to back up your web pages? After all, they are all online and they are on the server. So you don't really need to worry about them. But then you need to back up your website in order to protect it against data losses. So if there's any accidental deletion of data from your website, or then the server is failing, you don't have anything to worry about that at all, because you have a backup file that you can easily restore. Now, for security against hacking and malwares, so if your website gets hacked or is affected by some kind of malware, you already have access to that of your backup. So you can basically just clean up whatever is on your cPanel account and restore the new versions of your application, instead of worrying about losing everything that you had on your application. Yes, so if your server or your hosting provider has an issue, you can basically take up your backup and move on to another hosting provider. So that's some of the reasons why you need to back up your applications. Now, let's just head on to the video and let's look at how you can back up your application. Let's look at my web page. Okay, so I have on my domain learnwithdev.xyz. I have some files here, and this is a live betting application that I just put up on the domain for the purpose of this backup tutorial. Now this application comes with a database, and then it comes with the actual files that make up the web page. You should know that your database is very important because it will contain all the users that you have, as well as all the data that makes up this application and makes it run successfully. To carry out this backup, let's return to our cPanel account, and right here on your search tool, just navigate to Backup Wizard and open that up. Now on the Backup Wizard, you have the options to do a full backup, a full or partial backup, and then you can just download them. So for this backup, go ahead and click on Backup. Now I wouldn't advise you go for a full backup because of the size of the files. I would rather recommend that you go for the partial backup. Now with partial backup, you get to backup the home directory, your database, as well as any email forwarders or filters you may have. To backup your home directory, go ahead and click on home directory, and then click on home directory, and now this starts the backup process by downloading all the files that make up that web page. Okay, so now in your public underscore html in your file manager, all the files in that particular directory will be downloaded. All right, so the backup process is currently ongoing. Okay, so as you can see, my application is downloading all the files that make up the home page. I'll go ahead and stop it because I don't want to complete this backup. Okay, this is just for tutorial reasons. You click on go back, and the next portion that you want to backup is your databases. Now if you navigate to my SQL databases, you see you have your backup database. Okay, so this is the name of my database, DivDB. So go ahead and click on DivDB, and automatically your backup is taking place. So as you can see, it's already downloaded the database because I don't really have a lot of data in that particular database, so the download was very quick. Now once you are done with your database, go back, and if you have any email forwarders or email IDs created and they are filtered, go ahead and click on emails, and then as you can see, the forwarders I have here is just my domain name, and if you click on it, the download will just start right away. Okay, so if you go to my downloads, you realize that we just downloaded this aliases that's learnwithdev.xyz, and that's just how your files will look like. Okay, now let's look at how you can restore these backed up files anytime you want to. Back in our cPanel account, return to our backup wizard, and then you have restore. Now if you click on restore, you have the option to restore them individually. Okay, so you can click on home directory, click on choose files. Okay, so at this point you select the files that you just backed up. Now, depending on the directory where your backed up files reside, you can just select on that and then click on open. Now, in my case, I'm not restoring any files, so that's how come I just cancel the whole process. Now, once the file upload here is complete, go ahead and click on upload, and then all your files will be uploaded. Go back once more and upload your MySQL databases. So go ahead and choose the same files, just the same process, and then you click on upload. And then you will do the same for all these other sections of the upload process. You upload your email forwarders and that of the email filters if you have any. Yes, so that's how you can back up your website in cPanel for just the safety of it, and then so that your data can be protected and you can revert back to them anytime you need to do so. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and enjoy your day.